Donald Trump is destroying this country. Or let me put it this way. This country is being destroyed. Not because Donald Trump is destroying it, but because we are allowing him to destroy it. That is the important part. We as a country could end this today. Congress could end this today. The elected representatives of the people of the United States of America could end this today. We have legal and constitutional mechanisms to take care of this dictator. He could be impeached and removed from office and then prosecuted for his crimes, even with that horrible immunity decision from the Supreme Court. But he could certainly be impeached and removed from office. He's doing this. We're having to read about the President of the United States declaring war on an American city because the people of this country tolerate it. Because the politicians they elected and put in Congress are doing nothing about it. And how many people, and I know not everybody, a lot of you are just as pissed off as I am. But there are tens and tens of millions of Americans who aren't, who probably will never even know about this. And if they did, they'd probably fucking laugh. Because he puts it in a meme. Oh, Trump can't possibly be a dictator. That's a joke. Look, he put himself in a movie scene. Ha ha ha, he's not serious. If he was serious about being a dictator and going to war with Chicago, he wouldn't do it in a jokey way. This is how he has gotten away with so much that people don't think he's serious because he's a fucking buffoon. Or he puts it in a meme. Or he sounds like a friggin' idiot. Oh, he can't be serious. He's not. That's just Trump being Trump. Yet we literally have military troops on the streets of this country, illegally, unconstitutionally, and people still make excuses. Still explain this away. Still say, oh, that's just Trump being Trump. This is happening because the American people are not a serious group of people. They voted for this, and they tolerate this. We get what we tolerate, and we're tolerating this. Trump is destroying this country because we are allowing him to destroy this country. Donald Trump is president today because we are allowing him to remain as president. We can remove him at any time. And no one's even seriously talking about it. When the hell are the people of this country going to wake up? When it's too late to do anything about it? When he has completed the task of destroying this country? Of wiping away whatever remains of the Constitution? Of canceling future elections? Of taking over the states? Of declaring himself dictator for life? And imposing a military dictatorship? Is that when they'll wake up? Is that when they'll put their damn phones down? And stop scrolling through fucking TikTok? Long enough to realize what's happening in this country? Will that be enough? No, probably not. As long as TikTok still works, right? As long as they can watch fucking Netflix, then they're just fine. Oh, that's just Trump being Trump. You're just overreacting. Wake up, America. Wake up. We are losing our country. Impeach this man and remove him from